Today we're here to talk a little bit about these race ramps that I have. I picked them up years ago at Ford Carlisle Nationals for my 2004 Cobra, and I've been in love with them ever since. As you can see, they work really well for lowered cars. It's got a nice long ramp on it. This right here is actually the 80-inch setup. You can see here with the tape measure I got it, checking it out. The first portion of it is actually 6 feet long, and the block is 2 feet long. The block has a nice little indentation where the wheel can sit. When you get it up there, you really feel the car sort of bump in and lock into it. These are a little dirty because I've had them. They were in my shed. They floated around a little bit and they've held up really well. We'll sort of get underneath the car here and show you how easy it is. Okay, so I can easily scooch right underneath this. Got my hand on the oil drain plug right now, so that would be a super easy oil change. You can do a lot of maintenance while you're underneath here. You can clean the inside of your wheel barrels. You can clean inside the wheel wells, the areas you can't reach from the outside. You can reach all these suspension components. The undercarriage in general, it's a really great tool to have in your arsenal. I feel really comfortable underneath this car right now. With these blocks, you get the car set up well on here. It's not coming off, so you don't have to worry about jacks or jack stands, finding an appropriate jack spot. Look, I'm laying on my side underneath this car with this on the blocks right now. How great is that? I drove home with these sticking out of my convertible. As a matter of fact, I wanted them so bad. You get a really good look at your car, stuff that you're not used to seeing. You can get underneath here and polish out your exhaust if you want to jack up the back. These side pieces, they actually come out if you get the 2-piece units. So now, if I want to do work underneath the car on the side, I can get right underneath it. And this also allows you to flip the ramps over. And if you have a trailer, put the trailer here, and now it's an extension ramp for your trailer. They're a dual use. As you can see here, it says 1,500 pounds max, made in USA. Very important. This Mustang is a 2017. It's actually got the Ford Motorsport racing suspension on it, so it is a lowered car, and it has no problem getting up on these ramps. The back squats down nicely. You get underneath the car, see plenty of space, oil drain plug, floor, get you up there real nice. You can see everything underneath the car. The wheel sits, it's about 9 inches high. So you get about a 9-inch lift off the ground with this. I feel like this is an absolute must purchase if you have a lowered car. Instead of getting underneath here with jacks constantly, you just drive it up on your race ramps. You saw how long it took me to set it up and get the car up here. It takes no time at all. The car is about 7.5 inches, no, 7 inches off the ground in the front. That's about how much clearance we need to make a ramp work. For comparison's sake, you can see this Rhino ramp cannot even reach the wheel. It really got scraping underneath this plastic part before it hits the wheel. This will just push the ramp forward before it starts to drive up on it. So these Rhino ramps, the 1,200 pound ones, won't even work for this car, lowered as it is. My Cobra, on the other hand, that's about 5.5 inches off the ground. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I convinced you to buy some race ramps. Hit like, hit subscribe, please. I would really appreciate that if you enjoyed this video. I'm going through my garage trying to bring you more and more content as we go along. And I will see you guys next time.